First, what is a minor scale in general? Well, basically, it's rather similar to a major scale, except that the distance between the first and third notes of the scale, so between scale degrees 1 and 3, is a little narrower. For example, while scale degrees 1 and 3 in A major are A and C sharp, if we're using the A minor scale instead, they're just A and C natural. This gives the scale a different sound. Some would say sadder, but it depends on the piece. Minor scales also come in different forms and are a little more flexible in what you do with scale degrees 6 and 7. Natural minor is the form of minor we'll be learning about today. The practice of naming each note in the scale with scale degrees is exactly the same when we use scale degree numbers 1 through 7. In the scale degree names, there is one little change we'll talk about later. Natural minor looks like this in A minor. Notice that scale degrees 6 and 7, here those are F and G, are lower, or one key to the left, than they would be in major because there's only a half step between scale degrees 5 and 6, E and F, which are only a half step apart. In A minor, it's all white keys, just like C major, so neither of these keys need a written key signature. Here's a comparison between both these keys with the whole steps and half steps marked. Now, natural minor is not going to be quite as common in Western classical music as other forms of minor tend to be, but it still appears sometimes. Let's hear a few examples. This is the Passipede from Claude Debussy's Suite Bergamasque. The first 6 measures are entirely in F-sharp natural minor. While there's one E-sharp in measure 7, he is still mostly using natural minor up until measure 14. We'll talk about the type of minor you get when you raise the 7th scale degree, as Debussy did in measure 7, in the next lesson. Here's another one in an art song called Se equivocó la paloma by Carlos Guastavino. It's in G natural minor. Enjoy this recording by Margot Pares Reina and George Rabol.
Se equivocó